Gerardo.
Hola, Panchito.
¿Cómo estás?
Qué gusto.
El gusto es mío.
We put these colors on the dogs so we can follow them. We track the jaguars with them.
Porque ya se perdió la semana.
Mi querido Charlie, por favor, entiende que estás en televisión, sí, entonces tranquilo.
Camioneta fenomenal como siempre.
Muy bien. What I love most is to be outside. I really love to go to wild places to see mammals and birds in the wild. And those are the howler monkeys. Good. This drives basically my appetite to save this species and these habitats, and this keeps me going.
Gerardo is one of the most important conservationist scientists in the world. You are drawn to him and you are drawn to listening to him. He knows what he's talking about. You're gonna have a good time, you're gonna laugh a lot.
I will compare him with Jane Goodall, with David Attenborough. The thing about Gerardo is he can make a small thing bigger.
He's a field biologist. He's a mentor. He teaches students. He's a fantastic communicator. He's managed to protect huge areas of Mexico, which is a biodiversity hotspot. Gerardo is one of the people most responsible for keeping it a wonderful place for biodiversity.
Dr. Gerardo Ceballos has dedicated his life to protecting Mexico's richly diverse wild places. In 1991, he helped create the country's first Endangered Species Act, a landmark that protected over 4,000 species and 1.5% of the country's landmass. Working primarily in the Calakmul Biosphere Reserve, a World Heritage Site, Ceballos and his team have helped the jaguar population grow from 4,000 in 2010 to over 5,000 of the big cats in 2023. After being declared a reserve in 1989, Ceballos worked for the continued expansion of the land. As of 2023, Calakmul reached nearly 1.6 million hectares, making it the largest protected tropical area in Central America.
Oh, wow, that's great. This is one of our jaguars. The camera traps is one of our basic tools to develop conservation measures. We choose jaguar for several reasons. On the one hand, in Mexico, jaguar has been very important for the culture since prehistoric times. There is an estimate that we're saving more than 70,000 species of plant animals and microorganisms. If you protect jaguars, you protect the forest, and by doing that, we're saving the whole thing.
Countless species still face the prospect of extinction throughout Central and South America, where environmental change, large-scale agriculture, and development continue to threaten its rich biodiversity. Ceballos worked with Global Conservation to create the National Jaguar Conservation Alliance, which coordinates ecological, political, economic, and social entities toward the conservation of the jaguar and its habitat.
Studies on basic science become applied science on the one hand, but also, like this, become public policy.
He has helped to create several reserves, and that's a work that should last probably 100 years and will benefit thousands of people.
I respect the fact that he is a really brilliant scientist who's also a brilliant human being and a really nice guy.
The ultimate goal for all of us is to protect all ecosystems still left in the planet. I'm still hopeful because there is still time. We are basically facing what I think is the most important challenge that humanity has faced. How do I keep optimistic in the face of so many challenges? It's hard to tell, but it's something I think you are born with, you know?